Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reset your user settings to the factory default for your Kia Cerato 2019. So if you have make a lot of changes in the settings and something's not working correctly, you could try to reset it back to the factory default. Here's what you can do. On your steering wheel, you can press on this function key. So press on that function key. So I'm just going to press on this function key here until you go to user settings. So continue to press on this button until you see it says user settings. And then what we want to do is we want to go down. So we're going to press on this control key here. And so press on down until you go to reset. On the Windows here, you can see it says reset. And then you press on the OK button. And in here, it will ask you reset to factory default, yes or no. And then we're going to choose yes or no. So use this key here and move up to yes and press on the OK button to accept. And then that's it. It says settings have been reset. And that's all you have to do to reset the settings on your Kia Cerato 2019. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.